Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to replace ink cartridges in a Canon Pixma TS5051. This is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself, without needing to involve an attached PC or laptop. First of all, we need to lift the lid of the printer, so you've got the scanner bed on top, and you go slightly lower. There are two little bits on either side you can get your fingers into. You should feel the extra weight, and you should lift that up. It exposes the inside of the printer. The printer will realise and drag the ink cartridge cradle along to the central position. You'll see lights for all the different cartridges. The lights may be out or flashing if it can't recognise the ink cartridges or cartridges running low, things like that. So just go to whichever cartridge it is you wish to replace, press on the clip on the front, and you should have it come loose. The light goes out and it can be lifted out freely. Now take your replacement cartridge. My cartridges don't need replacing, so I'm just going to pop the same one back in. But when you have your new cartridge, you'll quite often find there are yellow or orange pull tabs on the top. And I'd recommend taking those off first before you remove any clips from the bottom of the cartridge, as removing those pull tabs breaks the vacuum within the cartridge and lets the ink kind of spread out into the sponges, and it'll stop anything kind of dripping out, which is a bit of a danger if you take the clip off before that. Now to get it back in, do the same thing in reverse. Keep it nice and low to get under that lip at the back. Press down on the front until you hear it click. Light comes on, and you know it's in correctly. Now repeat this for any other cartridges you need to. Then we just push down on the lid, get it back down again, closes nice and gently. And now your printer will be taking a look at the cartridge, making sure it's perfectly happy. So if you give it a minute, you'll eventually get a confirmation saying that it's recognised the cartridges. If you get any warnings or anything, this series of Canon printer are pretty straightforward. They don't tend to do any like funky firmware upgrades that throw out compatibles or remanufactured cartridges. It's just not how the company operates. So you can take any messages you get on face value. If it can't recognise a chip, there must be a genuine issue with the cartridge. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let us know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, drop it down in a comment. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.